In this video, I'm going to tell you how I went from page 5 to page 1 of Google with 1 hour of work. Hi, I'm Jeff Corrett. I'm the founder of a company called SEO, and this is the check-in where I update you on my successes and challenges with my SEO business. And so, getting back to what I was saying in the beginning, as you know, if you've been watching these videos, I am ranking #1 for SEO reseller plans nationwide and also in some other countries. So I was like, all right, well, this thing seems to be pretty sticky. Let's see if we can go after some other keywords. But I didn't want to change my main keyword. So, I changed my main secondary keyword from white label SEO, and instead I changed it to SEO reseller programs, which is 200 searches per month and a keyword difficulty of 35. Now, the reason I decided to go after this one because I was already ranking for it better than white label SEO or whatever it was that I was going after before. And so basically what I did was I just took about 30 to 40 minutes doing keyword research to make sure of what keyword I wanted to go after, and then I just spent the final 15-20 minutes changing the meta tag, putting it into the meta description, and injecting that keyword into some various spots on the page, on my SEO reseller plans page. So that in less than 1 month, so I did the hour of work, but it took like a month to actually see what happened. And that was on, let's see, March 20th, I was on position number 50. So that would be the bottom of page 5. And then today in New York City, position number 9 on desktop. So not bad for 1 hour of work, I would say. So just to show what's capable of, sometimes those SEO results might be right under your nose. And sorry for the bad lighting today. I'm kind of trying to get my face in the sunshine. It's kind of an awkward angle, and then they got trees blowing in the way. But yeah, about yesterday, I tried meditating for 5 minutes. I was surprised how calm I felt for the next few hours. And yeah, all the successful people seem to do it, so just giving it a whirl. In terms of what inspired me yesterday, I started doing offering a 15-minute networking call for my LinkedIn outreach as kind of a pre-qualification precursor to my strategy sales-ish type calls. And I scheduled my first one yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. And I know it's worked on me from some people that I've spent money with, so I think it's just a good way to just talk to people and see if it might make sense to take another step. I got frustrated yesterday. I didn't leave myself enough time to do my my actual SEO work, so I found myself working late on that when I wanted to be working on improving my actual service. And then yesterday I bought and installed Page Optimizer Pro. Just played with it, and it looks like something that's going to help me improve my on-page strategy. Which the whole idea there is sometimes you can get results without getting links. And the whole idea there is like how can we get results as affordably and as efficiently as possible, and that's one of the tools that can help you do that. That's my check-in for today. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll check back in with you soon.